To sign in to Bidmii, visit bidmii.com. Click Sign Up and use Google, Apple, Facebook, or enter your email and password. Select I am a contractor and provide your personal and business information. Enter your mobile number for verification. Enter your company name, professional title, years of experience, HST number, and specializations. Include your full address to receive nearby project notifications. Edit your bio, sign up for Protect Me, and read the terms of service. For any issues, check Bidmii's help section or contact customer support.